tourists. He hoped that more international tourists would visit and take part in water festival celebrations in Phnom Penh and other provinces as the pandemic situation had improved. Tour agencies and other private operators are encouraged to spread the information and include the celebration in their tour packages to attract more foreign tourists during the festival. Che Sivlin, president of the Cambodia Association of Travel Agents CATA, said the inclusion will be a new product to boost tourism during the 3-day celebration. Tourists want to see what the good things are when celebrating the national holidays, so that they want to learn about it, she said. More international tourists usually visited the country when there was a national holiday or festival. However, the announcement of the water festival had come at short notice and agencies had little time to arrange tour packages.